Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to turn off spam message filtering on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you're missing important messages or just want more control over what you see, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable spam filtering in just a few minutes. First, let's get started by opening up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in the app, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight into your user settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on that to open up a new menu with several options related to your privacy and content preferences. Here's where you'll find the message spam filtering settings. Under the section labeled Message Spam, you'll see a few different options for how Discord handles messages that might be considered spam. By default, Discord may filter out messages it thinks are unwanted or potentially harmful. To turn off spam filtering completely, simply select the option that says Do Not Filter. This tells Discord to stop automatically filtering your messages for spam, so you'll see every message exactly as it's sent. No more missing out on important info from your friends or communities. And that's it. You've successfully turned off spam message filtering on Discord Mobile. From now on, you'll have full control over the messages you receive, without Discord's automatic filters getting in the way. If you ever want to turn spam filtering back on, just follow these same steps and choose a different filtering option. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Discord tips.